opening prayer.
Holy, ever-blessed Father, we adore Thee for Thy loving kindness. We acknowledge Thy goodness and realize Thy tender care, for which we give Thee hearty thanks. Forgive us all our shortcomings and lead us to be faithful in our service to Thee. Let us at all times confide in and trust lovingly to Thy fatherly and holy care. We most devotedly and reverently pray, Our Father, which art in heaven, hallowed be Thy name. Thy kingdom come, Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For Thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory forever. Amen.
Let the loving and kindly Spirit control all our actions. May peace and harmony abide with us while we are together, and attend us when we separate. I now declare Koronadal Court number 39 duly open for open installation. May the fragrance of this meeting remain sweet in our memory. I respectfully invite your attention to the exercises which are to follow.